Hello and welcome to Ish Divine Discussion. Person with folded hands. Our bodies are nothing short of incredible. Every single day, they work tirelessly, often without our awareness, to maintain balance and repair themselves. But sometimes, they need a little extra help, whether through surgery, medication, or other medical interventions. In these moments, we often become patients, and that can be a difficult shift. Decisions about our health are made by medical professionals, leaving us feeling out of control, stuck in a waiting game, or even intimidated by the medical terms we don't fully understand. Tests and scans, which are meant to help, can sometimes feel worse than the problem itself. And then, the waiting continues, waiting for results, for answers, for the next step. It's easy to feel like things are happening to us rather than with us. This can leave us feeling disempowered, disconnected, and unsure of our role in our own healing process. But here's an important truth: you are the CEO of your own body. While medical professionals play a vital role in your recovery, no one knows what it's like to be you better than yourself. You are unique, and your journey is yours alone. When we are recovering after surgery or treatment, our bodies need support to do what they do best: restore balance and heal. This isn't just about physical movement or taking medication. It's also about giving your body time to rest and recover. It's about becoming a human being rather than a human doing. And this is where the transformative power of yoga comes in. Integrating yoga into your recovery or long-term healthcare plan can be life-changing. Yoga isn't just about physical stretches or poses, it's about tapping into the instinctive and intuitive layers of your being. It's about seeing your body, mind, and spirit as one interconnected whole and nurturing all three to heal from within. As a yoga teacher, I've worked with many people, including those impacted by cancer, who have experienced the empowering benefits of yoga. I've seen how it helps them recover from surgery, find strength during treatment, and reconnect with themselves in ways they never thought possible. You don't have to feel good to practice yoga. In fact, many people start their yoga journey when they're at their lowest. But the beauty of yoga is this: while you might not feel great at the beginning, you'll almost always feel better afterward. Yoga empowers you to take back control, not just of your body, but of your mind and spirit. It gives you tools to strengthen your physical self, quiet your mind, and bring balance to your inner world. So, if you're looking for a way to support your recovery, manage ongoing treatment, or simply reconnect with yourself, yoga could be the answer. It's a challenge, yes, but it's a meaningful challenge that can give direction and purpose to your life. In today's video, I'll share insights, simple practices, and tips to help you integrate yoga into your life, even if you're just starting out. Remember, you are the CEO of your healing journey. Empower yourself with the tools and practices that help you heal from within. If this resonates with you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ish Divine Discussion for more inspiring content on wellness, spirituality, and self-growth. Let's embark on this journey together, one step, one breath, and one moment at a time. Thank you for watching. Let's heal and grow together. Person with folded hands.